how to add more locations to extend unlock trusted places on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, we then scroll down and tap on extend unlock. After that, enter in the current PIN or password, then tap on continued. Now in here, tap on trusted places. Next, make sure you turn it on by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on trusted places, and then we need to re-enter your current PIN and tap on continued. From here, tap on add trusted places, and then you can tap on choose on map, or you can manually enter the address. So here I can say 25, so San Jose, 25, Spain, and then tap on add. So once you enter in the address, it shows you a small preview of the map location, and then tap on add. Okay, so enter in the address. If you decide that you want to remove a trusted places, you can tap on the delete button to remove a trusted places. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to return back to your home screen, or tap on the home button. And that's it. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.